I'm just empty my bucket. Oh, mercy.
No man, the battery take off, man. Once the battery take off on the good man.
Yes, boss.
Yeah, man.
Big for true, man.
Big enough.
Big pass. This. Come here, boy. People is the first. I'm coming this far from the bridge. Right, I don't normally come down this side because the wharf is right there. And they said it was supposed to be 100 meters, I think, or 100 feet, something like that. But I was told that the fish are right here. So I just come to give it a try. I think where I'm at, well, there's a wall that is close here. I could be at the breach right here if some measurement is taken on that. But from that wall now I'm good to go. So I'm right here, see if I can find a nice size snook. Stay tuned my peeps, Tasman Fishing Adventure. Fish on my peeps, fish on. Fish on. Fish. See you my peeps. Less than 5 minutes since coming here. Here and thank you for the live stream, sir. So, people, me a big shrimp again, you know. And go back because the shrimp man not coming. Hold him, boss. Snook. Swanger that. That must be a swanger. Snook. And a dead shrimp. And a dead shrimp. Yes, boss.
Yeah, man.
Yes, boss. Boss man. Boss man, you're hiding. The line is good, boss.
I saw the man and I say, hey.
Fish on. Yeah.
Tell us that I'm there.
Action pan bridge, my peeps. See it there? Chain hook up something up there. So he might come up without the basket. That is it. That Gampan Bridge. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on, fish on. Don't make him get to the center. Okay, nice size one, that too. Come. Thank you.
Thank you.
Fish on, fish on, fish on. Let me step back. Baby's day out, man. People them small. Whoa, whoa, whoa. No man, in drag light. In drag light, that's why. Oh man.
Big one.
Come, see my other sir, see my other sir, see my other sir. Big one, Pachino. Whoa. Big. I'm big, man, I'm big. Watch it, look at that, look at that. I'm big for true, man.
Big enough.
Big pass. Hold on. Go on. Big one, my peeps. Big one. Oh my God, in carry one stone, no? In carry one stone, Junior. Don't expect him and make him come out. See, come out, you know. Good, big one. Is it him out? Hold on. People, I gotta help me with that one here. Look at that, man. Hold on. Fight a fish. Fight a fish. Here, man. Better one stop this now. Big one net. Junior, go on their thing. No matter what's around.
Yeah.
People end up land before me come back. Big. Meat! 10 pound, of course.
Terrible, I don't know.
No, it's all making a fight. Left hand.
Alright, that moves.
You can't block me. Huh?
Hold on. Smile.
Fish on my pips.
Watch the column, watch the column. Alignment, watch the alignment.
See me.
Nice 15 goals. Like 13.
They're flicking it good, boss.
Come on, boy. People them always a seminar kill no fish on them channel. See them? Make sure you follow me as well, you know.
Come on now. Alright, let's go.
Yeah, you can see. No, down another way. No, Johnny, down another way.
Problem. Oh, you gotta go through it. Don't make him get to it now.
Wait, don't go, you keep come over. Carry me now. Carry me, drive over now and sink back in, sink him back.
No, man. No, man. Come on, the fish to get to. I'm too now.
Come, Peter, come get our work off. Come, John, last one. Just if you got to a iron, it's now, swim out. Line him in the hole there now, man. Drop your head, just the head, now. No, man, wait. Go down with the head now, go down with the head, go down with the head. Try, lift it up. See the twist, man, the twist.
What now, though?
No,
Take the fish or what? You look at fish a bad enough, man.
Jump off, Dimitri.
Don't lift him, Dimitri, don't lift him high. Don't lift him high, Dimitri.
Don't lift him, man. Alright. Right in our bright part.
That is it. That is it.
Yeah.
Dimitri.
Yeah. I don't fight fish with left hand, you know, people. I use my right hand just like teacher. When I always a complaint, so I don't catch nothing on the channel. But see it now. Make sure you go over to my page and like it, subscribe as well. Dimitri Hydro Angler.
Okay, Dimitri Hydro Angler, my peeps.
And don't forget, you know, Taz Marty was my mentor now, but the thing is, I have to go to work on Monday. Taz fish on a Sunday, so me prepare for work on a Sunday, me fish on the Saturday. But I want teacher save me.
Big up yourself, brother. Big up yourself, boy. Alright, see you never, peeps. Small tarpon. Alright. Line is good, boss.
That is it.
Alright. People, this man just passed a good on the side. And look, man, I walk up on a limb to one side. Big snook in our left hand.
Yes, boss.
The line is good, boss.
Yes, boss.
This is the lure you use?
Yes, boss.
See, watch out, people. See there? You luck with a lure, you know. You luck with a lure, man. Every time you catch fish on a lure. Nice one, my brother. Nice one.
Boss. Yes, boss.
Yes, man. That is it. That is it, man. That is it. You don't play around here.
Play around here.
Alright, sir.
Yeah. That's Marty Fishing Adventure. Yes, boss.
Line is good, boss. What is this? Something for click. No, man. Sit tighten up for now. Tighten up for now. Come. Hey. Tap on again. I used to them a little type of reel, you know.
Gone, man. Gone. Post line. Line is not good, boss.
What I know, tell you. Line is not good, boss.
Fish is line.
Fish is line. So you saying that the lines that fish is not good?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Proudly saying it.
My word. Fishes, and I forgot to do something. And I forgot to do something. Look here, this thing I take too long to spin for tighten the jug a while ago. That's up there, yeah. Take too long, man.
Yeah.
So you were supposed to set that away and then use it something apart, you know. Fish on. What is this? Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Dimitri. Take them. Coming up, take it right now, take it right.
Bad, my bad. Think that the girl.
No, I'm not dealing with left hand right now.
My bad, sir. My bad.
Go on up, because it's coming close to the bridge. You have him? Your line is good, boss. Take him out this, but guess what? You're still close to a column. Don't take him from one and put him into the other. Hold him, boss. Oh! Again, boss!
I don't mind.
Your line is not good, boss.
I don't mind. No, man, he never see that.
Never what?
Never strike good.
Can't tell him no good. It's another tarpon still. Not a fish to worry about. In gone?
It's not the line. See there, line of birds.
Line of birds.
He never hook good.
Alright. People are still going on. Second tarpon I get to. Another one caught this morning, but 2 escape. And people don't know me lucky, so if you get see them, you know, every time I strike the rat them and something, but I say go. You know, still on down, my peeps. So John just catch me one of the some peeps. Nice one this. This is a nice 4-pounder. Yeah. Ah!
Any fish? Yeah,
Of course a fish.
Good.
He's not biting on at all, man.
Just progress.
He's not biting on at all. I'm ready to go wet him, you see? It's my peeps. I'm coming on this corner here to try something, you know. Nothing going on the bridge for me. Right? Nothing going on the bridge for me, so I'm going to try my luck. I go down on this corner there, my peeps. Nothing happens same way on the corner for me. So, I'm just a try. See, man, them a try. So, you know, so pair birds, they know go flying on the line them once the Charlemagne go through the bridge. Yeah. People, it's rough and tough, but I'm here. So, people, like, I came running with 3 shrimp. 4 live shrimp. I only have 1 left. 1 is on the line. And there's no fish to show. Snapper keep killing the baits for people. Yes, man. Fish on is a small one still. Small. Come on. Better than nothing at all. Still. See him here. Two hook. Yeah, man, 2 hook hole, you couldn't get this so easy. Totally 3. Yes, man, that's 66% my peeps. Paper. So my last shrimp here. Last one, the biggest shrimp I got today. It's finally going out. Yeah, to see if it can catch me my second snook on this corner. Big shrimp, big snook. That's what I want. Stay tuned, my peeps. Peeps, I'm satisfied with the 1 snook I catch on the corner. You know. See me, 1 deggy one. Just get a nice jaw down with the big shrimp, but me lose that. So, this is what I'm going on with. With another horse, I have another one on the bridge. But I still have live shrimp in the water. I still have bait in the water up on the bridge. So I'm going back on the bridge now to see if I can find something else to go, my people. Stay tuned. It has more. Right now we there, sir. See an ambulance there? Ambulance is on fire right now. It's pure smoke come out of the ambulance engine room, you know. Pure smoke come out of the ambulance in. See people, everybody are reverse. Watching two vehicles like they want to lick up. Watch it. Look there, look there. Come like they want to lick up. No, nobody with fire extinguisher. Look at that man and not up and doing the thing, man. Save a life. Ambulance is on fire. Look at that. I get whoa. See smoke, I get worse, the man. The police were close by, but couldn't see what was going on. Yo! We are going with water, but they come like the extinguisher work. Come like the extinguisher work, my peeps. I was coming a while ago with the water, and them say no to the water. I say they call for the water now. See them call for the water. I'm just empty my bucket. Oh, mercy. When you just let me throw my water, come in and say no to the water, I throw my water.
Go for some more.
No, man.
I try current, man. It's throwing juice and it spark up.
No, man. The battery take off, man. Once the battery take off on the good, man.
Current thing go and just go on, man. That. See, what I have to
The signal up on board.
Go that.
Signal on board?
No.
Okay, give thanks.
Throw the next water pan.
Throw it on.
Yeah, shake some.
Remind me about the baby.
Oh.
Yeah, man.
Sorry, good man.
Get up back.
Why, people? Past the worst, I know. Past the worst.
Remember, first sight that this scary to death. Somebody
So exactly, because we're up on the bridge and see what happens. See something up on fire, you know.
Yeah, when I come over the bridge with Sarah.
People, the beauty about it, no sick was on board. Yeah, so them now if they put nobody in a vehicle. I said, oh smile, like this thing are coming back up. It's coming back stronger now. No? No man, it's kind of cool down now. Whoa. This could happen to anybody, you know, electrical problem. No. Cooling down exercise, you know. People are pay salt water that, you know. I pay salt water that. So, yes, that's the best way we could have helped them.
I'm not good. I don't have a job I help him.
But look here, let me tell you something, people. If anybody fire extinguisher will cool it down, you can tell us everything gone to ash.
Yeah, I give up on a man, find one fire extinguisher and give up, you know.
Yeah.
I know, boom. And put it up.
Sorry, go on. Whoa. I'm happy to nobody sit them on board. I'm happy for that. This can always come back to normal if they want it to use again.
The teacher nine times to stop them for that.
That's the reason why I break up, you know, because I say somebody
yeah.
And when I come around the corner, I see my run going at the back, so I say patient like patient.
Yeah. Fire truck come through the pigs. There down, bossy. Take it right down. Take it right down. Fire truck, well, this is quick response time. Yeah. This is quick response time. The fire truck did a good job. The Joshua say, Joshua could do a better job still. Joshua could reach in 1 minute. But the fire truck reach in 10. Yeah. reached before them, man.
Yeah, because we were basically right on spot. Oh, yeah. Why? Alright. You're not gonna put no pressure on that. Yeah, man, wash out the salt water, yes. Get rid of the salt water, because when I get rid of the salt water, I say they want to know everything. Once this metal, they want everything. See my peeps, see the jacks there. See the jacks there, my peeps. See the jacks there. Quick sink off that, that means they're coming down. Quick sink off. As usual, no people have to call me now. Come here! You! Get over here!
Where's the teacher? Get over here!
Get over here, boys!
Line off here, go and see now.
Alright, sit there now, you go on home there now. 4 ambulance. Yes, my peeps, you might have to call it a day right here, you know. Yeah, man, nothing really go on. Doesn't make sense to stay here any longer. The jacks are beating. Yeah, man, the jacks are not the water, but they're not coming close to us. Alright, so, not staying. I was just coming from around the corner, trying to find Snook. Nothing more same way. This is so slow there, my peeps, but that's how it goes sometimes, you know. Sometimes coffee, sometimes tea. Right? I'm gonna drink coffee with my people, so guess what? You have to just take the tea and go on in my yard. Alright, my peeps, stay tuned. That's more the fishing adventure. Yes, my peeps. Until the next time, you know. Remember, just take care of yourself. Go out and catch some fish, my peeps. Peace and love every time, my peeps. Alright?
Nah, give up.